My name is Dave Vescovi. This is my entry into the Shared Source Contest 2006. I call it Rvtc for Rear View Toddler Cam. Basically what it does is it uses the webcam and snaps a picture of the blind spot behind high-profile SUVs. It's displayed on a pocket PC device. I'm using Platform Builder 5.0 and Visual Studio 2005 for development. These are some of my pieces. I'm using the Gumstick platform, which I developed a board support package for. These are some of the components. This is a net CF. It's got a compact flash socket and an Ethernet connection. This is an MMC. It's got an MMC storage card and also has an Ethernet connection. This is a breakout GS, which breaks out the serial port from the Gumstick. It's based on a PXA 255 processor. This also has a USB client connection, which comes native on the PXA 255 processor. Unfortunately, that's not good enough for interfacing to the webcam. You need a USB host. But what I'm using here is a compact flash USB host card connected to the webcam, of course. Here is, this is called a CF stick, and it's a stripped down version of the net CF. It just has the compact flash card, doesn't have the Ethernet. You don't need the Ethernet after your development is done. On the back here is the Gumstick processor, again PXA 255 processor. It has a Bluetooth module, 16 megs of flash memory, and that's enough to hold the image and the application. So here's the Bluetooth antenna. I have a little box here I can mount the whole thing in, connect up the compact flash host card, USB host, and the camera. Here is my Sprint 6700 pocket PC, which I'm using as the presentation device. It also has Bluetooth connection. So how did I go about developing it? Well, I'm of course using Platform Builder and developing an image first of all, and then on top of that I've included the embedded source for Bluetooth tools, also an open source or a shared source tool that's available from Microsoft, and that gets built into the image along with the webcam driver. I also had to develop a managed C# wrapper around the webcam driver to allow you to interface through managed code. On top of that, I have an auto launch application, so all you got to do is just plug it in and the application will launch. All that gets wrapped up and built into the image, flashed into the image. That's the server side. On the client side, I'm also using the Bluetooth tools, the technology shared source tools, and developed a C# application, and that's all using the standard Visual Studio development tools. I have one of the buttons on the side of the cell phone here associated with the application, so it's a quick launch. So as you get in the vehicle, you can just push the button once, automatically launches the application, makes a connection via Bluetooth to the Gumstick device, snaps a picture, uploads it, and displays it on the pocket PC. So, like I said, I'm actually using 3 of the shared source tools: the webcam driver, the embedded source tools for Bluetooth technology, and my board support package that I developed for the Gumstick. Right now it's Windows CE5. I'd like to upgrade it to CE6 because CE6 rocks, but that's another project. So what I'm going to do is put it all together into this little box, and we'll take it outside, mount it on the vehicle, and give it a try. Connecting up the rear view toddler cam. Power supply. Webcam. Conveniently placed power outlet. This is my son Carson, he's 3 years old. This is my wife Tracy. Go ahead and press the quick launch button. Is it loading?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Alright, snap the picture. Good deal.